हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करते हैं TCS Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। TCS Q3 results profit rises 4% quarter on quarter to rupees 10,846 crore misses estimates. Of size, Tata Consultancy Services Limited NSE 1.35%, TCS NSE 1.35% pleasantly surprised the street with a 5.3% sequential rise in consolidated revenue for the quarter ended December to rupees 58,229 crore. The revenue was above the ET now poll of rupees 56,893 crore. ET now poll. Okay. Tata Consultancy. The net profit rose. Okay, so guys, the net profit rose nearly 4% on quarter to rupees 10,846 crore, but was lower than the expected rupees 11,200 crore. The software major also announced a special dividend of rupees 67 per share and an interim dividend of rupees 8 per share. Okay, I repeat, special dividend of rupees 67 per share and an interim dividend of rupees 8 per share in constant currency terms. Revenue grew 13.5% year on year during the quarter, TCS said. Okay, we are pleased with our strong growth in a seasonally weak quarter driven by good services. Okay, market share gains through vendor consolidations and continuous momentum in North America and UK. Okay, said Rajesh Gopinathan, Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director. Okay, TCS bagged big deal worth $7.5 billion in the quarter, which was slightly lower than what it was in the preceding two quarters. In the first two quarters of the current financial year, the company bagged the deals worth $8 billion. Okay. Okay, looking ahead and beyond the current uncertainties, our longer term growth outlook remains robust. Gopinathan said, for the second quarter in a row, TCS saw an improvement in operational performance. The operating margin, calculate earning before the interest and tax EBITDA, expanded 50 basis points sequentially to 24.5%. Okay, improve the productivity, currency support, and abating the supply side. The challenges help expand our operating margin in quarter 3, said Samir, the Chief Financial Officer. This gives a greater confidence in our ability to steer our profitability and towards our preferred the range while continuing to invest in the building the capability to support our growth and market share gains, he added. Okay, Samir Seksaria. Okay, geographic performance. Okay, so guys, among the major markets, the North America and the UK led the sales growth for the software major, the rising more than 15%, and both these markets make for the 2 and 3rd of the total revenue of for TCS and 3/4 of its profits. Okay. Okay, so guys, TCS Q3 results profit rises 4% quarter on quarter to rupees 10,846 crore. This is the estimates. ओके सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही, कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए, नमस्कार, बोलो राधे राधे।